Shrimp stock.
This shrimp was in the water last night. It's fresh from this morning. It's super fresh. Super fresh Louisiana shrimp. Clean. Nice.
First, you put the shrimp heads and tails, if you have any kind of shells, and you're slowly gonna saute that. Put a little bit of oil in there so it doesn't stick. I like to roast some chilies.
Support comes from the New Orleans Opera, presenting Mozart's The Marriage of Figaro. Based on
Maybe
a
some
book that was
ginger,
penned in its day, this opera has withstood the
some
test of
onions.
time. Opening at the Mahalia Jackson Theater on Friday, September 29th. Information at neworleansopera.org. Support for
Let's follow it just like that. Nice and easy. Not too much. That's ginger. Sometimes I use galanga. Those are the roasted onions. Now we're gonna let that simmer. You're gonna reduce that all the way down to almost nothing. And I put some rum in there, and then I kind of light it up. It's been simmering for about an hour. Now I'm gonna put some of it in a blender, or kind of like a commercial blender. Want to speed up that process a bit. Oh, the smell-o-vision. Now I'm gonna put it back in the pot, and we're gonna let it reduce again. Make sure and take that part out of it. Ugh. Now it's been reduced a bit. Now I'm gonna strain it. Voila, there you got your shrimp stock.